Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you need to unzip files or compress folders, here is a video on how to download and install WinRAR on Windows 10 or in Windows 11 for free. First open your browser and go to the official WinRAR website rarlab.com. Once you are on the site, click on download. Now choose the version that matches your system, usually WinRAR 64-bit for most modern computers. Click on WinRAR 64-bit and the installer file will start downloading. It should only take a few seconds. Now open the downloaded file. To open the downloaded file, go to Downloads folder. Now open the downloaded file. Click yes. Click install and then click OK. Done. Now right click on any RAR file or zip file. You will see the WinRAR option here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.